Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today, for our number talk, we are approximating the product of 3/4 and 61. And we know we're approximating because we see this kind of wavy equal sign. That means approximately or about. So we just need to estimate, and that of lets us know that we are multiplying. So 3/4 times 61. In order to estimate this, it's going to be better if I change one of these to a more friendly number that's easier to multiply, and I'm thinking if I could change that 61 to a 60, that'd be a lot easier. Nice even number, and 4 actually divides into 60 evenly, right? That's a multiple of 4, so that's exactly what I'm looking for. So how do I figure out what 3/4 of 60 is? Well, one way is we can figure out what 1/4 of 60 is. Now, when we do 1/4 of something, that means we multiply, right? And so 1/4 of 60, that's the same thing as if I were to divide by the reciprocal. So take 60 and divide it by 4, right? So 60 cut in half is 30. 30 cut in half is 15. Now, another way to do it would be to envision it as just a pure multiplication problem, 1/4 times 60. When you multiply, they both need to be fractions, so we turn any whole number into itself over 1. You multiply straight across, you get 60 over 4, which is what I just did, still equals 15. Now that helps us because that's 1/4, right? That's that unit fraction. So if I wanted to figure out what 3/4 is, well, I'm just going to add another 15 and another 15, or I can multiply by 3. Either way, that's going to get me that that 45. So I've got 3/4 is about 45. Now, another way to do this would be if we can mentally do it, just straight multiply. Let's go 3/4 times, about 60. Now, we're going to have to keep a few numbers in our head here. We're going to have to multiply 3 times 60. Well, 3 times 6 is 18. So that 0 just goes on the end. Then I need to divide that by 4. Now, that's a little bit trickier mentally, but how many times can 4 go into 18? Well, it can go in 4 times, gets me 160, right? So that's going to leave me with 20 left. 4 goes into 20, that 5. So either way you look at it, it's approximately 45.